Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your PayPal account. To close your PayPal account, first of all, open the PayPal application on your mobile device or go to paypal.com on a web browser and log in. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Within the profile section, scroll down until you see the Close Your Account button. Before closing your account, withdraw any remaining balance to your bank or another service, ensure that there is no pending transaction or disputes, and download your transaction history if needed for records. After you are sure you've done that, you can easily close your account by clicking Close Your Account from the menu. Enter your password for your PayPal account to continue. This is for security purpose. Finally, tap on Login and follow through the prompts to continue and follow through the instructions. After you do that, you will be able to close your PayPal account. Once you close your account, you cannot reopen the account and any remaining balance or data will be lost. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.